bombastic side-eye, criminal offensive side-eye.
Good morning and thank you for giving me this opportunity. Today, today I would like to share with you the importance of constitutional law. I feel of student that is not online class to me academic interaction, but also crucial for the health and future of any democratic society. Constitutional law or hukum tata negara in bahasa Indonesia is the backbone of a national legal and politic system. It definition the structure of governance, regulation the division of and power and protect the fundamental right of every citizen. Without it, there will be not clear rules about how the country is run, and without rules, there can be no constitution. Why it is important for us, especially in Indonesia. Our country is a democracy, but democracy cost does not often be its life. It must be built, maintained, and defend. And things were constitutional law playing a vital role. Constitutional law plays a crucial constitutional law player and crucial role in maintaining democracy in several ways. One, regulation the structure and foundation of state institutional. Two, practice the rights and freedoms of citizens. 3. Regulation relation between state institutional. 4. Regulation the decisions making process. 5. Protection the sovereignty of the people. In insurance, a check and balance between the executive, legislative, and judicative branches. It prevents tyranny, corruption, and abuse of power, and most importantly, it empowers a citizen like us to participation in governance, not just through voting but also through public discourse, protest, and politician advocate. In the context of Indonesia, we have expression manipolitik transition from the old or the new or and final to today reform era. Constitutional amendments have been the way our governments work today. As students of constitutional law, we are called to study their scans deeply deeply to understand not just what the law says, but why it matters. But, but studying constitutional law is not only about memorizing article of the constitutional. It's about understanding the spring big the law, justice and accountability and the dignity of every human being. As Futurian legal practitioners, lawmakers, judges, or public sphere, we carry a heavy responsibility. We must ensure that the law serves the people, not the other way around. We must speak when injustice happiness. We must be the voice of the voiceless. Let us not forget that the Constitution is a living document. It must grow wide the themes and adapts to the need of the people. Issues like digital, private, protecting gender equality and indigenous these are all part of the constitutional conversation today. In closing, I want to remind all of us, especially my fellow law students, that we are not just studying to pass as or get a degree. We are preparing ourselves to become guardians of democracy. We are the one who will help power accountable. We are the one who must defend the constitutional when oth- when other to undermine it. So let us take these journeys seriously. Let a student with purpose speak with courage and educate with integrity. Important role of constitutional law in maintaining democracy. Constitutional law playing a crucial role in maintaining democracy in several ways. One, regulation the structure and foundation of state institution. Constitutional law regulation the structure and function of state institution such as the executive, legislative, and judicative to ensure that power is not concentrated in one institution and they act in the institution can perform in foundation effectively. Two, protecting the rights and freedoms of citizens. Constitutional law protects the rights and freedoms of citizens, so as the right to vote, freedom of speech, and freedom of assemble to ensure the citizen can participate in the democratic process and express the opening with you for of expression. Thank you. Sekian video dari saya dengan materi peran penting hukum tata negara dalam menjaga demokrasi. Sekian dan terima kasih. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.